Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a stock list in Excel. Start by creating a clear header row and labeling columns for item, SKU, quantity, reorder level, cost, and location. Format headers with bold and background color to improve readability. Save the workbook with a descriptive file name and use freeze panes so headers remain visible. This setup makes data entry faster and reduces mistakes when you update inventory. Begin entering product rows with consistent naming and precise SKUs to avoid confusion. Use data validation lists for categories and locations to speed entry and prevent typos. Format quantity and cost as numbers and apply thousand separators if needed. Add comments for special handling notes and use Ctrl+D to copy formulas or formats quickly. Regularly save and back up the file to prevent data loss and keep your list accurate. Add formulas to automate calculations and spot issues without manual checks. Use SumProduct or SUM to calculate total inventory value and count to tally items. Implement conditional formatting rules to highlight low stock or negative values with clear colors. Create a reorder column using IF to flag items below the reorder level and sort by that column when planning purchases. These steps save time and help prevent stockouts or overordering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.